Mike Russell here at the Olympia in London for Adobe Creator Live.
Now, this isn't your average creator event. Adobe basically transformed the Olympia into a creator playground.
Bring out my creativity.
And I got chatting to some of the biggest creators in the UK, and here's what they thought about AI.
Listen, it is so clever.
And getting better every day, right?
So shall we get that generated?
Let's generate. Oh, there we go.
There we
my
go.
goodness.
Here
That
we
is
go.
so good.
I'm very interested in what your thoughts are, especially if you've got a whole channel on it.
100%. Well, like, you can now create something you needed a whole effects team, right?
Yep.
You know, or assemble people on location like Venice to film some special scene. Now you can generate Venice with
Yep.
people. But like you say, you gotta keep it real, right? You can't just do everything in AI.
Yep.
And I think humans will always be interested in humans, right?
Yep.
So I think a big part of like what you're doing with the NDL is you're building a community. You're building people around a thought, around a movement, and they're following a human being as opposed to a robot. Now, the coolest thing is there's been so many announcements about Adobe creative products, such as the ability to take a photo that you've got, like a really creative photo like this, a colorful one with many people in the background. I mean, that's kind of crazy, right? That I can just remove people with a prompt.
And turn my suit pink if I like.
And now they've integrated with ChatGPT, meaning that you can use the Photoshop integration with ChatGPT, prompt in natural language what you want to do, remove people from the background. Easy as that. You want to change the background to be a tropical beach. Easy as that. Or you want to change color and lighting to really make this photo pop. Easy as that. Wizard making wizardy potatoes. Yeah, of course you can.
It's funny actually because one of my best tools that I use on Adobe Express is, you know, the background, and you can cut it out. So you can pick an object or a person and cut it out straight away within a click, and I'm just like, oh, this is so good, this.
And that's something that would take you hours if you were sitting there like
exactly,
trying to rub
cutting it all
everything out.
but instantly. I love it, it's my favourite tool to use. So then we started creating content behind the scenes of how we're making the jacket potatoes and the customer interactions, and it sort of went from a business in Preston to content creators, and now, you know, we've got multiple shops for Spud Bros Express.
For us, it's like doing that raw content, which creates like a relationship with the people watching, and showing like what we actually do, and people are interested in it.
Me and Mike Russell, man.
Dude.
The OG. Adobe Audition. This is the guy, right? This is the guy. At the moment, I'm using Adobe Enhance.
Oh, Adobe Enhance.
Yeah, to clean up some audio.
Obviously, AI is a big theme. Adobe are doing a lot of it, putting it into their products. How do you use it to assist you?
I had a quote that I wanted, but I couldn't find the quote as a nice picture online. So I put it into AI, said, these are my brand colours, make me a picture. 2 seconds instead of 20 minutes of scrolling. It's the dream.
Boom.
Don't leave things to chance. Most people in this world are passive. If you can be even a tiny bit active, you will step ahead of 99% of competition. Whether that's outreach, going for a coffee, getting face-to-face with someone versus a Zoom call, these little 1% margins are going to make all the difference.
Okay, so now I shall go into Firefly. I shall upload the image. So I'll say here as the prompt, remove other people. I'm going to iterate again, and I'm going to say remove phone from hand. That is insane. So that is going to be the first frame of my video, and I'm going to say guy starts dancing. So this is using Google's VO3 under the hood, but it's all inside the Firefly app.
In a world of AI where a lot of things are being done as quick as possible, one thing which I'll say to anyone who wants to create content is make sure that you're doing it yourself. If you're editing yourself, because I think that's what's very different to now, right? When I was coming up on YouTube, YouTubers were the ones who did everything. They used to edit their videos, they plan the videos, all that type of stuff. Whereas now, the successful YouTubers which you've seen because of how much YouTube has grown, you see like it's all productions. So you're looking at very different things. But I'd say the only reason why I'm a YouTuber today is because I taught myself how to edit. I really understand the creative process. So it's really important to understand the creative process. And you'll never look at yourself and think, oh, I shouldn't have done that. If you're 11 right now and you spend the next 7 years editing, you're never gonna look at that and be like, I really wasted my time on that editing. You'll be really glad that you did it. So that would be my advice.
What a day. And if there's one thing I took from Creator Live, it's no matter how powerful these AI tools get, and they are getting insane, the thing that actually connects with people is people. raw potato videos, a random fan recognizing you from Adobe Audition tutorials,
Anything to do with audio, this is your guy.
Niko inspiring an 11-year-old to give away his pocket money,
My 11-year-old son Zane, he's watched your Around the World series. And after he watched that series, he watched another YouTube video where a family lost everything in a store.
Really?
And he said, I want to take all my pocket money and I want to donate it to that family.
Wow.
I said, why are you doing this? And he said, Niko.
Zay, listen, you're a legend, man. What a legend.
That's not AI, that's human. So learn the tools, use the tools, but never stop learning the craft behind them. Big thanks to Adobe, incredible event. If you want to try any of the tools in this video, links are in the description. And if you enjoyed, subscribe. I cover AI tools like this for creators every single week. See you in the next one.